There are plants growing quietly across Africa, used for generations, long before modern medicine had names for diseases like cancer. Some were passed down through whispers. Some were protected like secrets. But today, science is starting to catch up.
You see these leaves? My grandmother used to say, nature doesn't rush, but it heals.
And back then, we didn't question it. We just trusted what worked.
For centuries, traditional African medicine has relied on powerful herbs, many now being studied for their potential role in reducing cancer risk. But this isn't about replacing modern treatment. It's about understanding what nature has already been offering. Let's explore 7 African herbs that are gaining attention, not just from tradition, but from science.
Moringa. We used to call it the miracle tree.
Every part of it.
Moringa is rich in antioxidants, compounds that help fight oxidative stress in the body.
When your body carries too much damage inside, sickness finds a way in.
Studies suggest that moringa extracts may help slow the growth of certain abnormal cells, especially due to compounds like quercetin and chlorogenic acid.
We didn't know those big names. We just knew it kept us strong.
You remember the red tea I used to make?
Yes, I do.
The
The one that woke me up better than coffee.
Hibiscus, often consumed as tea, is loaded with anthocyanins, natural plant compounds known for their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects.
Inflammation. That's when many problems begin.
Chronic inflammation has been linked to increased cancer risk. Early research suggests hibiscus may help reduce inflammation.
Father's simple drink, but powerful inside. Now this one. Not everyone likes.
Because truth is often bitter.
Commonly used in West African cuisine, is packed with phytochemicals that may help detoxify the body.
It cleans you from the inside. That's what we always believed.
Research suggests bitter leaf may support liver function and help the body remove harmful toxins, reducing long-term damage that could lead to disease.
Sometimes healing doesn't taste sweet, but it works.
What's fascinating is not just the herbs themselves, but the wisdom behind them. These weren't random discoveries.
We didn't have laboratories. We had life.
And we paid attention.
This one we used for pain, for stomach, for everything.
If something felt wrong, ginger was the first answer.
African ginger contains bioactive compounds like gingerol, known for their anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer potential.
When inflammation stays too long, it starts to harm you.
Modern research shows ginger may help reduce the growth of abnormal cells and support the body's natural defense systems.
It warms the body, but also protects it. Now this is something every home had.
And every meal.
Garlic contains sulfur compounds like allicin, which have been studied for their potential role in cancer prevention. Garlic may help boost the immune system and support the body's ability to fight abnormal cell growth.
It's small, but it carries strength.
Back then, we didn't know words like cancer.
But we knew sickness, and we knew how to fight it in our own way.
And today, science is beginning to validate some of those ancient practices. But what you've seen so far is only part of the story. There are still herbs, less known, more powerful, that researchers are only beginning to understand.
Some plants we used carefully. Not every herb is for everyone.
And some knowledge was never meant to be rushed.
Some knowledge doesn't disappear.
It fades quietly.
Not because it stopped working, but because the world stopped listening.
There were herbs we didn't use every day, only when it truly mattered.
Because they were strong, powerful in ways we didn't fully understand, but we respected them.
This one, people used to come from far away asking for it.
Graviola. We treated it like medicine, not just food.
Graviola, also known as soursop, has gained global attention for its potential anti-cancer properties.
But we never used it carelessly.
And that's important. While lab studies are promising, human research is still limited. Graviola should be approached with caution, not as a cure, but as something that may support overall health when used properly.
Nature gives power, but it also demands respect.
This color, it means life.
And healing.
Turmeric contains curcumin, one of the most researched natural compounds in the world for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects.
We used it for wounds, for food, for strength.
Chronic inflammation plays a major role in many diseases, including cancer. Curcumin has been studied for its ability to interrupt. What makes these herbs powerful isn't just their chemical makeup. It's the system they were part of. A lifestyle that valued balance. Food that was natural, not processed. Healing that was patient, not rushed.
We didn't wait until we were sick to care for our bodies.
We lived in a way that tried to prevent sickness from coming at all.
But here's the truth that matters today. No herb, no plant, no natural remedy is a guaranteed shield against cancer. Modern medicine exists for a reason. Early detection, proper treatment, and medical guidance save lives. These herbs are not replacements.
The danger is not forgetting the herbs. It's forgetting how to live.
It feels like there's no rest. We're constantly stressed, eating fast food. There is just no balance anymore.
In many ways, the modern world didn't just lose natural remedies. It lost the rhythm that made those remedies effective. Science today is rediscovering what tradition already practiced. That reducing inflammation, supporting the immune system, and limiting internal damage are some of the most important ways to reduce long-term disease risk.
We may not have had all the answers,
But we asked the right questions.
Maybe the real lesson here isn't just about herbs. It's about awareness. About paying attention to what we put into our bodies. About respecting both science and tradition. If there's one thing to take away from this, it's this. Health isn't built in a single moment. It's built daily, through small, consistent choices. Some of those choices come from modern medicine, and some come from wisdom that's been here all along. If you found this perspective valuable, take a moment to reflect on your own habits. Because sometimes, the smallest changes today can shape the strongest future.
It strengthens the blood. That's what we were told.